Avalanches, or dragons, are the beast that inhabits winter mountain terrain. It is wise to know what kind of mood they are in. Some days they are tame, and other days they may strike. All backcountry users need to be informed and know how to read the risk. Not only is it imperative to have the proper equipment and training, but to be aware of the conditions. Snowfall and depth is important, but how wind and temperature behaves over time at various elevations are critical factors to stability. Fortunately, the Bridger-Teton Avalanche Center provides you with data collected from various weather stations, so you can make informed decisions while in the backcountry. New upgrades visually communicate the conditions. When the risk appears to lower, more people venture out. Most accidents happen in considerable to moderate conditions. Iconographs are a tool that visually displays information. They depict where the avalanche hazard is with respect to elevation and slope aspect. Alongside, characteristics are displayed to show the likelihood for a person to trigger that avalanche type, the expected size, and the trend that communicates whether the hazard is expected to increase, stay the same, or decrease. Avalanche problems are terms and definitions that describe the types of avalanches. Spreadsheets and wind graphs are in-depth representations of the weather over time. For more information, you can visit the Friends of Bridger-Teton Avalanche Center website for an events calendar that features local avalanche classes. Stay informed, stay alive.